another postponement won't make it better. No, obviously late na nga kasi nga ang nakalagay sa saligang batas nga natin forthwith, no? So
Yes.
uh, so the, the another delay really is just emphasizing the fact na yung Senado didn't do its job, no, or didn't follow the instructions of the Constitution. So para sa akin, siguro pabor in a way kay Vice President Duterte because she can prepare more. Kumbaga, baka mag-strategize pa ulit. But it also tells us na yung really the very toxic politics that we have now, na kahit yung institutions natin like the Senate and also constitutional processes like the impeachment is always colored by partisan politics eh. So yun ang nakakasama ng loob, nakakababa ng loob.
Yeah. Ang convenient ng mga optics kanina, Attorney Michael, na biglang may LEDAC meeting, tapos kailangan makita ko ano yung mga kailangan pa nilang gawin sa mga susunod na araw. Tapos, biglang meron kailangan talakayin mga appointments kasi nga naman nag-revamp ng cabinet, so kailangan i-appoint o kaya italakayin na CA itong mga posisyon na ito. So postponement. Well, hindi na
That's correct.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I'm driving at, no?
Yeah.
Yung dapat non-political or apolitical processes, kumbaga, we cannot help but think na meron bang politika to sa likod o driven ba to by partisan politics, no? Because of really how toxic and partisan our politics has been in the past couple of years. So, nakakadismaya, no? Because in the end, the public service or yung serbisyo publiko or government service that citizens should expect, no? Hindi na di-deliver ng up to standard.
Dadagdagan ko pa yung pagkadismaya ni Attorney Michael Chiki. Sabihin ko lang. Kasi syempre, napagdaanan natin ng impeachment, sabihin, dalawa na yung nasaksihan natin siguro dito sa nakalipas na mga pagko-cover natin, Corona at saka yung era pa, no? Wag natin kakalimutan na impeachment court sila, pero at the same time, meron pa rin silang ginagawang work as legislative work na nagaganap, halimbawa, ibang oras no, sa impeachment hours. No? So parang hindi ko nga maintindihan, tama si Atty. Michael, bakit hindi pwedeng gawin yung legislative job nila ng other hours of the day and saka tayo mag-impeachment sa ibang oras?
Well, diyan na rin papasok yung the logistics and administrative side of it, no. You cannot also expect them na lalong-lalo na in this particular situation na maraming political futures at stake, no? So hindi mo rin masisisi yung mga senator judges natin na having difficulty juggling their time, no.
Yes.
Or being afraid to juggle their time because yung mga kinabukasan nila at kinabukasan ng pamilya nila sa politika ay pwedeng maapektuhan kung anong gawin nila dito sa impeachment trial.